If you want to save time and manage your emails more efficiently, integrating Salesforce with Gmail is a powerful solution. In this quick beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to connect Salesforce with Gmail and start using it right away. Salesforce offers a built-in Gmail integration that allows you to view and manage your CRM data directly from your inbox. To get started, first log into your Salesforce account and go to the Settings menu. In the Quick Find search bar, type Gmail integration and enable the option called Gmail integration and sync. Make sure both Gmail integration and email tracking are turned on. Once this is enabled, the next step is to install the Salesforce extension for Gmail. Go to the Google Workspace Marketplace and search for Salesforce. Then install the official Salesforce add-on for Gmail. After installing the extension, open your Gmail account and refresh the page. You will now see a Salesforce panel on the right-hand side of your inbox. Click on it and log into your Salesforce account to connect both platforms. Once connected, you can start linking emails to Salesforce records such as leads, contacts, and opportunities. This means every important conversation can be tracked without switching tabs. You can also log emails directly into Salesforce with a single click, making it easy to keep your CRM updated. Another useful feature is email tracking, which lets you see when a recipient opens your email. Additionally, you can create new Salesforce records directly from Gmail, saving time and improving workflow efficiency. To make the most of this integration, use templates and automation features available within Salesforce. This helps you send consistent emails and reduces repetitive tasks. Over time, this integration can significantly improve your productivity and ensure all your communication is properly recorded. In short, integrating Salesforce with Gmail allows you to manage emails and CRM data in one place, track interactions, and automate your workflow without extra effort. Now that you understand the process, set it up and start using it to streamline your daily tasks. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials like this to improve your workflow and efficiency.